Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you have seen the title, today's video is all about the Nykaa products. But before starting, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I've also posted a whole video on Good Vibes products. If you have not gone through the Good Vibes product, you can go and check the video as well. So today's video is all about Nykaa product that I have been using from a while and some of the products that I have purchased for the first time. Although some of the products are not from Nykaa brand, but I have purchased them all from Nykaa. So I thought I should include them in the video because they are absolutely worth reviewing. So I have this box full of Nykaa products which I will be reviewing today. Let's get this box. So let's start with Nykaa Wanderlust body lotion. So this is a bottle of 300 ml. I have been using Pond's body lotion from a really long time because it stays on the body, really hydrates your skin and it do not fades away easily. After that, I found Nykaa very effective and very soothing on skin, and the fragrance is really very nice, and they have whole new range of fragrances. That this one is Sweet Pea. They have others as well. If you are planning to change your body lotion, I think you should give this one a try. It lasts for a really long time. After like 6 to 7 hours, if you scratch, it will not give that white scratch on your skin. It means it really hydrates your skin. So you can definitely give this a go. So next one is, as I told you, this is not from Nykaa, but I have purchased it from Nykaa. This is Garnier Micellar Water, and there are actually two micellar waters from. One is oil infused and the other is this one. This is not oil infused one. This one is like for non waterproof makeups. You can use it on your daily basis, and the oil infused one, use it with like waterproof makeup. So you just have to take them in the cotton pad and just keep, and you just have to swipe it off. So मैंने सोचा, since I don't use makeup on daily basis a lot, I wanted to give this a try. Although I've tried the oil infused as well, but it was really nice. Although I didn't find this one very effective because I use matte lipsticks. So matte lipsticks के उसमें ये ज़्यादा काम नहीं करता. Otherwise, this one is mild to the skin, and the oil infused one was absolutely effective for all your waterproof makeups and all your matte lipsticks. So this is for daily basis. This one is good. And so the next product is Alana's lip scrub. This is a Choco Nutty lip scrub. Since, as I told you, that I use matte lipstick on daily basis, so your lips start very rough and decolored. So it becomes very essential to scrub your lips once in a while. So I purchased this from Nykaa, and this one is really nice. Although this is a bit dry, I've used it. This one is a bit dry, but this is really effective and very nice and smells really chocolatey. So I liked it very much. My second purchase is from Nykaa, and this is Nykaa hand cream. Since we have to sanitize a lot and wash our hands a lot these days, so hand creams becomes a must. But this is rose and white musk, and this is really thick. This is more like a Bourolin, so I didn't like it very much, and it didn't even smell very nice. So this is like an okay product from Nykaa for me. There are other fragrance options as well, so you can go for any other if you want. So next purchase is, this is Nykaa Rock the Line Kajal. So this is a really nice kajal. I have tried many. I do not step out without kajal. So I have tried many kajals, and I've tried Maybelline as well. I've tried Lakme as well. But this one is really nice. This is really pigmented, and just one slide, and this is really dark. And this is very pigmented. It do not smudges easily, and I apply it for it stays for more than 5 to 6 hours. So this one is really nice, and it was of I think 199. You can get it for some offer or something, but this is really nice kajal. So the next one is from Faces Canada. This is Magnet Eyes. This is for 179 rupees, and this is also nice kajal. Pigmented hai काफी, and this glides really easily. Dark भी दिख रहा होगा Nykaa से. But the problem is, जब आप 5 से 6 घंटे तक लगा कर रखते हैं, it is not actually waterproof what it claims to be. And the second thing is, this is not smudge proof as well, जितना कि मुझे expected था इसे. So this is an okay product for me. And the next one is Nykaa Skin Shield. This is from Nykaa and this is for 799 rupees और सेल में कुछ ऑफर भी मिल सकता है. And this is like one of the best product from Nykaa. I liked it really very much. This is triple active action formula, anti-pollution, deep hydration and oil control action. It really does what it claims for, and this really sets on my skin, and it do not makes my skin feel cakey or some like do not leave the creases behind or something. It really settles on the skin very well, and this is like as I told you, I don't apply makeup a lot, so this is my one thing that I apply and I'm ready to go. So this is the 5-star rating product for me. Next one is liquid highlighter. This is from Swiss Beauty liquid highlighter. This is also one of the best product from Swiss Beauty which I purchased from Nykaa, and this is like one drop and you're good to go. And this really adds this beautiful shimmer. This is light pink 01 shade, and this is really nice product. So if you are looking for some like good highlighters or something, this is really good, and it claims to be drop and glow, and this is really one drop and you are glowing. So this is really nice. So let's move on to my favorite part. This is lipsticks from Nykaa. This is Nykaa Pan Stick. I'm on shade 13. This is Gold Digger. If you are someone who likes creamy lipsticks and not on the matte side, you will be loving these lipsticks. So let's try these. So this is Gold Digger, and first of all, I like their name a lot. When it comes to keeping the name, they are really creative. And the second thing is the packaging. This looks really nice. And the best part is, आपको अगर straight रखना है, then the cover is of the color of lipstick, so this is good. And at the back also, they indicates the color and the shade number of the lipstick. And this is really creamy and pigmented lipstick. You just have to swipe once on your lips, and the color is well applied on your lips, as you can see the swatch. And the second thing is, it stayed, although it is about the creamy lipsticks that they transfers a lot, same as with this one, it will transfer a lot, so you can do the tissue thing. Otherwise these are really nice, although you don't have to apply them, reapply them again and again, because the color, the tint of the lipstick will remain on your lips like for 5 to 6 hours. So I liked it. Like apart from transferring, it really stayed on my lips, so this one is nice. Second one is these are It's So Creamy Creme lipstick. This one is, it's a date. So let's just swatch it. So it's a beautiful color. It's a date. And this is, you don't have to keep the color, the packaging, the outer packaging of the lipstick as used before is mentioned here, right here on the lipstick itself, so you can know the shelf life of the lipstick. And these are also like really creamy. See, like there are some pros and cons about matte and creamy lipstick. जैसे कि matte के बारे में बात करें, it leaves your lips decolored, it makes your lips dry, it stayed, प्रॉब्लम होती है रिमूव करने में. बट इस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देखें तो क्रीमी लिपस्टिक्स के ये प्रोज हैं, जैसे कि ये इट डू नॉट फील्स हेवी ऑन द लिप्स, बट कॉन्स ये है कि इट ट्रांसफर्स अ लॉट. तो सबके प्रोज एंड कॉन्स. Although I prefer matte on creamy lipsticks because they transfer a lot, और कभी कभी हमको रीअप्लाई भी करना पड़ता है. बट नायका के साथ this was a really plus point कि इसको दोबारा अप्लाई करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी. It left a beautiful tint on. And the other one is Deja Nude. It's a nude color. It's a beautiful color. Dressed to Kill. TGIF. So these were the lipsticks from Nykaa. They were for $3.99 or something. I don't exactly remember the price. You can check it on Nykaa app or website. But these are really pocket friendly college going students के लिए, especially क्योंकि एकदम से बहुत ज़्यादा highlight नहीं होते हैं. And you have wide range of colors, wide range of light colors to dark colors. आप जो भी चाहे उसको choose कर सकते हैं. तो इन सब चीज़ों के साथ मुझे एक चीज़ free भी मिली. And this is Nykaa Lips Don't Lie lip liner. And this is really beautiful color. And the plus point is मुझे वही shade मिला which goes with maximum of my lipsticks. So this was really nice, and it is really pigmented और एक stroke. And this is like really beautiful color, really pigmented, very nice. So I liked it very much. Although I am not into lip liners very much, but this one is really nice. So thank you, Nykaa. So my other products are from Pond's. I really wanted to review these products because these were really nice. So this is Pond's Light Moisturizer. This is for, I guess, 40 rupees. Yeah, this is for 40 rupees, and guys, this is really nice. Pond's is like a really old company. I've already used half a tub of this, and this is really light on your skin, and this is a very moisturizing and very nice cream. For the trial base, I purchased it for the first time, although I wanted the super light gel जो अब मुझे मिल चुका है, but पहले it was not available, so I just randomly ordered this one, Pond's Light Moisturizer, and this is not oily at all because Pond's की पहले वाली जो creams आती थी वो थोड़ी सी oily होती थी, and this is vitamin E and glycerine, so it worked really nice on my skin and I liked it very much. Plus my mom used to use Pond's, so मम्मी वाली feeling भी आती है. And the second one is Super Light Gel. Yes, I finally got this. So this is for 149 rupees, but this was not available on Nykaa from really long, and I've seen many good reviews on this Pond's Super Light Gel, so I really wanted to give it a go. This is hyaluronic acid and vitamin E, and there is something about hyaluronic acid. वैसे तो our body have it, हमारी skin में hyaluronic acid होता है, but due to exposure, due to pollution and due to like high temperature, वो धीरे धीरे कम होने लगता है. And hyaluronic acid makes our skin supple and moist, so it hydrates your skin. So I wanted to use something which have hyaluronic product, so I ordered this and I finally got this. So this is a light blue colored gel. See, I've not opened it a lot because this is gel, and जहाँ तक मैंने इसके रिव्यूज देखे हैं, आई थिंक दिस विल गो विथ माई स्किन वेल, और दिस कैन ऑल्सो बी यूज्ड एज प्राइमर, क्योंकि देखकर मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है बिकॉज दिस इज ट्रूली जेल बेस्ड एंड दिस इज रियली नाइस. तो आई विल, दिस इज नॉट एक्चुअली अ रिव्यू फ्रॉम माई साइड, बट दिस आई हैव परचेज्ड इट रिसेंटली, सो आई वांटेड टू इंक्लूड दिस बिकॉज दिस इज अ रियली नाइस प्रोडक्ट, और मैं इस पर काफ़ी टाइम से आई वॉज आइंग इट, सो आई वांटेड टू यूज दिस वन. नेक्स्ट वन इज Sundowner Stunner. This is from Nykaa and this is for 599, I guess, and it's a beautiful eyeshadow palette. Look at the colors. Look at the colors. These are really beautiful colors. इसमें और भी shades हैं, but I wanted to give this one a go क्योंकि थोड़ा सा pinkish है, and I wanted to use this one. इसमें smoky shade भी है and very much pigmented. Just a single one, and this is on my skin. See this, and this is really beautiful, pigmented and beautiful shades. It's a Nykaa Eyes on Me thing, and this is really beautiful. So guys, this was all from Nykaa. I have shown all the products that I have been using from Nykaa and from other brands as well, but they worth reviewing, so I thought to share it with you all. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. Leave a comment below, and also if you want me to review some other products, please let me know in the comment section. Also, you can follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is MET Megha. So guys, thank you for watching.